I've got two home pH test kits laid out here. One is unopened, and then the other one I've opened up and laid the components out across the table. So the test kit consists of a card which gives you information about how to perform the test and also the optimum pH for various vegetable crops. Inside the kit, the main component is a mixing chamber with a lid, a capsule of pH reagent, and an eyedropper for adding water to your soil and pH reagent mixture. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to actually take the measurement. So I open up my container and I take a small pinch of soil, and if you look closely on the bottom of the container, you can see that there's a dotted line, and I'm going to fill that container up to that dotted line with soil from my sample. Tap, tap, tap. That looks about right. Now I'm going to set this down and open up the capsule that contains the pH reagent. And this is always a little bit tricky. Sometimes the top sticks. I've pre-loosened it to make it a little bit easier. And inside is the white powder, which is going to cause the reaction and give the color change to tell us the pH. So now I take my eyedropper, and if you look closely, there's a second line at the top of the chamber. This is the fill line for the water. So I'm going to add some water to that till I get up to the fill line. 2 or 3 eyedroppers does it. I think about 3 maybe. Partway there. Yeah, 3 eyedroppers. Then I take the lid, put it back on the mixing chamber, and shake. And usually I do this for about 15 or 30 seconds. Take a look at it, make sure everything is getting mixed up really well. And now we have to wait about 10 minutes for the soil and sediment that's in the mixing container to settle to the bottom so that we can see the color change.